guys, welcome back. So today is April the 29th, which means it is spring in New York, and it has been beautiful. The weather has been just perfect. Aside from spring in New York, I have some other big news. This will be the last video I film in this room because I am leaving New York. I have to pack up all my things because in another week I fly out with 2 suitcases to Switzerland for a few weeks, and I'll have to let you guys know about the rest of my summer plans later, but I am really excited. Anyways, there's a lot to show you in this video. I'm going to take you through my last week in New York City, and by the end of this vlog, this room will be completely empty. So, let's go! Three days before I leave New York, and my roommate brings a bird home. There is a bird in my bathroom. There is a bird in my bathroom. An actual bird that flies in the sky. Oh my god. 12:27. We are about to shoot. So sorry. And we are doing my hair now. So we have moved on to outfit number 2. It is currently 2:27 a.m. for our night photo shoot. It is currently 3:42 a.m. and we just finished shooting, and I am going to take a nice shower and go to sleep because I am exhausted. Okay, we are on 86th Street, going to take the bird to the bird doctor or whatever. And it's really cold and raining. I wonder if you eat that. You know what I mean? We just got our mac and cheese from Snack, and we're on the way to have our last roomy dinner. Yeah, I have to leave tomorrow, and it looks so good. We're so excited. having my last dinner in New York with my roomies. How to watch a movie in college. You know, today my phone and his girls just kind of looking at me. It is May 9th and also my last morning walking to class. It's 8 a.m. and this is my last class before I leave to head to Swiss. So I'm enjoying my walk because I went to my last class of the 2022 spring semester. I fly out of Manhattan tonight at 7:25. So before I fly out, there's quite a few things I have to do. I need to pack the rest of my things. If you guys haven't noticed, look how empty my dorm room is. It's literally so sad. But I have to pack the last few things. I have my suitcases out, and then I need to go mail some things, and then I'm going to head to the airport. So we need to pack because it's literally gonna take a minute. So yeah. So literally 3 hours later, my stuff is packed and I am ready to go, kind of. Let me show you my room. So my room is so sad right now. Look at it. It has no pictures. The bed is empty. Everything's just gone. It's so sad. In here, everything is gone. I'm getting ready to leave my dorm. This is my last time in my room. Everything's so empty. It's so sad in here. I miss all my stuff. But my last few minutes in my room, we have everything packed out here. Bags, bags. It's time to go. Hey guys, so we're at the airport. We're at our gate. We're gonna board in a few minutes. Heather's with me. This is Heather. Hi. We got here at 5. We've maybe been sitting at our gate for like 10 minutes. It's 6:46. Literally going, just checking a bag is the most difficult thing I've had to do in my life. We were literally checking bags for like 45 minutes because she made us like take everything out because they were overweight, and she was just like, basically we had to take everything out and like start over, so it took forever, and now we're finally here and I'm exhausted. So we're really excited at this point just to get to Switzerland. So this is the end of this vlog. I am leaving Manhattan. If you guys like this video, you know what to do, and I will see you guys next week for my Switzerland vlog. Bye guys.